we are honored to announce the arrival of Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Shri Manoj Sinha Ji, Chief Guest for the inaugural ceremony of the 73rd National Conference of IIPM and IIPID, APCON 2025.
We request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
Jana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
नमस्कार, आदाब, शुभ संध्या। ज्ञान गंगा की इस अविरल पावन धारा में आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन।
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि माननीय उपराज्यपाल श्री मनोज सिन्हा जी, आदरणीय विधायक श्री अरविंद गुप्ता जी, आदरणीय अतिथि विशेष डॉक्टर सईद आबिद राशिद शाह जी, मंडल आयुक्त श्री रमेश कुमार, आईआईपीएम के माननीय अध्यक्ष, प्रतिष्ठित पदाधिकारगण, वंदनीय विशेषज्ञ तथा देश भर से पधारे सभी सम्मानित प्रतिनिधिगण, नमस्कार और आप सभी का आईआईपीएम एवं आईआईपीआईडी द्वारा आयोजित 73वें राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन एपकॉन 2025 में हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन।
May I now request Dr. Ashutosh Gupta, Principal and Dean, Government Medical College, Jammu, to kindly felicitate our Chief Guest, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Shri Manoj Sinha Ji. आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर हम सभी माँ सरस्वती की वंदना करते हुए उनके आशीर्वाद से कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ दीप प्रज्वलन से करने जा रहे हैं। माँ सरस्वती जो ज्ञान, विद्या और संगीत की देवी है, उनकी कृपा से हमारा ये आयोजन सफल हो और सभी के जीवन में ज्ञान और प्रकाश का संचार हो, यही हमारी कामना है।
May we request our dignitaries to please light the sacred lamp.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनी।
In this sacred moment, let us offer salutations to the divine flame with this auspicious Sanskrit shlok. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhan sampata, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepa jyotir namostute. We bow to the divine light, the light that grants goodness, well-being, health, prosperity, and removes all negativity.
With the blessings of this sacred flame,
With the grace of Ma Saraswati, we declare APCON 2025 formally open.
हम विनम्रता पूर्वक निवेदन करते हैं कि माननीय मुख्य अतिथि उपराज्यपाल श्री मनोज सिन्हा जी कृपया APCON 2025 की स्मारिका यानी सोवेनियर का अनावरण करें।
Thank you, sir. May I now invite the Principal and Dean, GMC Jammu, Dr. Ashutosh Gupta, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
परम आदरणीय उपराज्यपाल श्री मनोज सिन्हा जी, श्री अरविंद गुप्ता, माननीय विधायक जम्मू पश्चिम, स्वास्थ्य सचिव श्री आबिद रशीद शाह जी, बाकी गण्यमान्य जो अतिथि हैं जो स्टेज पे बैठे हैं, और इंडिया के और बाहर के जो टॉप पैथोलॉजिस्ट हैं जो आज जम्मू में आए हैं, उन सबका मैं स्वागत करता हूं। ये बहुत एक मोमेंटस ओकेजन है, दिस ए मोमेंटस ओकेजन दैट जम्मू इज़ विटनेसिंग ए कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ सच ए बिग लेवल वेयर more than 1,000 dignitaries, delegates, all across the country and abroad. We have the cream of pathologists now sitting in this hall. मैं सबको वेलकम करता हूँ। मैं सर ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेते हो, 2-4 अपने पॉइंट शेयर करूँगा कि फ्यूचर ऑफ पैथोलॉजी क्या रहेगा, भविष्य में पैथोलॉजी कैसी रहेगी। जो पैथोलॉजी है अब ये डिजिटल पैथोलॉजी, जीनोमिक्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का हेल्प लेती है। सिंपल स्लाइड्स देखना माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे अब ऐसा नहीं रहा। Some suggestions from a humble clinicians to esteemed pathology fraternity. I am just taking some liberties from you. You are all very, very highly esteemed academician. कुछ मैं पॉइंट्स अपने शेयर करूँगा। मेरी कुछ सजेशन है कि आप डिजिटल पैथोलॉजी को आप स्टैंडर्ड मानिए। अब वो टाइम नहीं रहा कि आपने माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे कोई डायग्नोसिस बनाया। Everyone should see it you digitalize your slides so that your information is available to all of us. Adopt automation and workflow ताकि गलतियां नहीं रहें, human error को बाहर किया जाए, आपकी reports reliable रहें. Focus on accurate diagnosis. Use AI-driven diagnostic image analysis. अपना diagnosis मत कीजिए, take help of AI now. Molecular diagnostics पे help का adopt कीजिए because future is only molecular. Liquid biopsies बहुत important है सर. हम biopsy जब लेते हैं किसी कैंसर पेशेंट की, हम टिश्यू लेते हैं उसको ऑपरेशन करते हैं, यहाँ उसका अंदर चीर फाड़ करते हैं. तो सिंपल टेक्निक है कि लिक्विड बायोप्सीज, ब्लड से ही आप एक सिंपल ब्लड टेस्ट से आप डायग्नोसिस कर सकते हैं कैंसर में. इस पे इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. दिस विल मेक लाइफ ऑफ पेशेंट्स एंड क्लिनिशियंस वेरी वेरी इजी. इंटीग्रेट योर पैथोलॉजी डेटा एंड हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. मेक योर पैथोलॉजी रिपोर्टिंग फास्टर. टर्न आउट टाइम फास्टर होना चाहिए. दिस ए स्कीम कॉल्ड POC, पॉइंट ऑफ केयर, कि आप पेशेंट के साइड पर जाएँ, सैंपल लीजिए, उसको वहीं स्टेन कीजिए और डिजिटली ट्रांसफ़र कर दीजिए आपकी सेंट्रल लैब में, वहाँ से डायग्नोसिस बनेगा. सो मेक योर रिपोर्टिंग फास्टर. Identify and provide more targets to the clinicians because future is targeted medicines. It is a personalized medicine. Make pathology personalized. हर मरीज़ को अलग अलग ज़रूरत है टेस्टों की, उसको पर्सनलाइज कीजिए. और मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, मेक योर पैथोलॉजी मोर अफोर्डेबल एंड एक्सेसिबल. एक कॉमन आदमी दूर बैठा हुआ, पुंछ रजौरी बैठा हुआ भी उतना ही आपका फ़ायदा उठाए जितना जम्मू या दिल्ली में बैठा हुआ. ये मेरी कुछ सजेशंस हैं सर. मैं आयुर्वेदिक ट्रेडिशन में देखता हूँ कि जो बीमारी को डायग्नोस करने के लिए, रोग परीक्षा के लिए, चरक संहिता में उन्होंने त्रिविधा परीक्षा का प्रावधान दिया है, जिसमें 3 स्टेप्स बताए हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ ऑथोरिटेटिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस. जब आपके पास सैंपल पहुंचता है, उसको ग्रॉसिंग करनी है, आप अपने PGs को, रजिस्ट्रार को इंस्ट्रक्शंस दीजिए कि कैसे करना है. दूसरा ऑब्जर्वेशन, तीसरा फिर इन्फ्रेंस. ये हमारी चरक संहिता के काफ़ी साल, हज़ारों साल पहले जो लिखा गया है, वही विद्या को आप अपनाइएगा तो कामयाब रहिएगा. आपको इस सम्मेलन का वेलकम करते हैं. होप यू हैव ए वंडरफुल कॉन्फ्रेंस. एंड फाइनली सर, वेलकम टू आवर न्यू रेनोवेटेड ऑडिटोरियम. सर, ये अभी रिसेंटली हमने ऑडिटोरियम को रेनोवेट किया है. द म्यूजिक सिस्टम, द ऑडियोविजुअल सिस्टम इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द कंट्री एंड द वर्ल्ड, एंड वी वेलकम यू हियर सर. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now invite the organizing chairperson of APCON 2025, Dr. Kuldeep Singh, to kindly address the gathering.
Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, Shri Manoj Sinha ji, respected Secretary Health and Medical Education, Dr. Syed Abid Shah, our esteemed MLA West, Shri Arvind ji, Principal and Dean, Dr. Ashutosh Gupta, esteemed dignitaries, faculty members, delegates and colleagues. It's a privilege to host the 73rd annual conference of the Indian Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists, organized in Jammu by the J&K chapter of IAPM. We are honored by the presence and support of our national leaders, President IAPID, Dr. Francisco Couto, President IAPM, Dr. Usha Kini, and Secretary IAPM, Dr. Ranjan Agarwal. Pathology as a discipline continues to grow through innovation, stronger diagnostic standards, and the introduction of refined techniques. APCON stands as a unique platform that fosters academic exchange among luminaries of pathology, enabling meaningful discussions and collaborations that enrich our scientific community and enhance patient care. I extend sincere thanks to the IAPM leadership, our distinguished speakers, and all delegates who have joined us from across the country and abroad. I also acknowledge the dedication of the organizing committee, faculty residents, and volunteers. With great pleasure, I thank you all and welcome you again at Jammu. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request the Secretary of IIPM, Dr. Ranjan Agarwal, to present the annual report of the association, capturing the year's initiatives, developments, and achievements.
A very good evening to one and all. सबको मेरा नमस्कार जो डाइस पर सुशोभित कर रहे हैं और जो डाइस के नीचे भी हैं. I stand before the Honorable House to present the annual report of IAPM for the year 2025 as its secretary. Although the year was not very good throughout because we lost some of our very senior stalwarts, especially Dr. Anita Borges, to whom I dedicate this APCON and I pay my homage to her, apart from few other senior members. IAPM is one of the oldest academic and health association in India, especially of the pathologists. The foundation stone was laid in 1949 under the able leadership of Dr. V.R. Khanolkar as its president, Dr. P.N. Vahi sir as its secretary, and Dr. H.B. Patil as its treasurer. Dr. V.R. Khanolkar we all know as the father of pathology and medical research in India. And in his memory, we even celebrate the National Pathology Day on 13th April, which was his date of birth. The headquarters of IAPM is situated at Cuttack in Odisha and is managed by the Joint Secretary Headquarters under the supervision and guidance of an able advisory committee. The headquarters has a President's Gallery, it has a resource library, conference hall, and guest rooms. The association under its purview disseminates advances in pathology and allied sciences, keeping in abeyance with its constitution, bylaws, and SOPs. Among the various academic activities, besides the national conference that is APCON, where we are standing today, IAPM conducts regular chapter meets, headquarter CMEs, and annual state and regional chapter meetings. A number of mid-year EC meetings have been postulated because of the various online academic activities, and we have various state chapter reports coming to us regularly, which are being published in the news bulletins. At present, IAPM has 18 active state chapters. A big round of applause to them. Presently, we are in the 76th year of establishment of IAPM, and last year we celebrated it as the Platinum Jubilee year, making it a very memorable one. This year we had received a total of 309 applications for life memberships and 417 for an associate memberships, which is a good number. Last year the number was more because of the platinum year. A very new and interactive website of IAPM has been launched, and this will be launching this year during the inaugural ceremony after the ceremonies. As the earlier one was based on an older operating system, I would like to draw attention of all the members, first of all those who are not members to become life members, and also that now it is possible to download their membership certificate once they log on to the website and log into their own individual profile. The association, I would like to draw to everybody's attention, has two of its official publications. First is the Indian Journal of Pathology and Microbiology, which is a quarterly peer-reviewed index journal with a good impact factor. There is an award for the IAPM best paper published in IJPM by an Indian author, so that we motivate the younger generation to submit more publication in our own journal. We have a good number of available IJPM in our headquarters. Some of them are missing, which I will be announcing in the news bulletins. The second publication is in the form of the news bulletin, which is again published quarterly and is available readily on the IAPM websites, and it contains information about the regular chapter activities, the members whose email ID and all is there. So as soon as it is there, there is a Google form attached. And all those who are regular members with an updated WhatsApp message or an email, they receive this news bulletin regularly. IAPM is now active on the social media, which is the demand of today. And we have a dedicated account available on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Telegram, which we are using nowadays for dissemination of all our regular activities and promotions, etc. This year, 2025, marked more laurels for IAPM. A good number of applications for awards were received. A total of 15 applications were received for various categories, and the winners would be announced during the general body meeting on 6th December 2025. There were successful multi-step quizzes, not only for the undergraduate, but postgraduates as well, under the coordination of Dr. Vaishali for the UG, Dr. Aditya Agnihotri for PG, and both the quizzes were coordinated by our national coordinator, Dr. Varsha Dhume, the Joint Secretary of IAPM. Both these quizzes had a large number of participants, and they were conducted in a very well structured manner. Again, the final rounds would be on 7th December, that is during the AppCon Excel. This year we had election for for various posts of office bearer for IAPM, and I would like to tell everybody that this year we have crossed a record of the number of votes casted. This could probably be because of the website, as well as a good amount of information being disseminated through either of social media or other methods. I take this opportunity to thank all the present and the past executives for their constant support and guidance during my last 3 years as the Secretary of IAPM. I acknowledge the special support given to me or extended to me by Dr. Vatsala Mishra, Dr. Siddharth sir, Dr. Pradeep Vedeshwar, and Dr. D.K. Mishra sir. A special note of thanks to Dr. Haren Kumar, who stood by me throughout the 3 years, not as an individual, but even as a treasurer, and the places where I needed the assistance at the most. I feel there is a lot more to do for IAPM, and I would continue to do the various activities of IAPM. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for that insightful report. May I now invite the President of IAPM, Dr. Usha Kinney, to kindly deliver the presidential address.
Thank you, Dr. Ranjan Agrawal, for presenting such a comprehensive and holistic report of the IAPM of the year 2025. Respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed colleagues, senior members, and dear delegates, as the President of IAPM, I would like to briefly build on the Secretary's report, emphasizing on its cohesive impact of these efforts. To begin with, we had a 4-point vision. The first and the foremost commitment was to make pathology interesting and ignite the spark of curiosity and passion among our budding MBBS students and the postgraduates. Pathology being the very foundation of clinical medicine, the so-called the trunk of the tree of medicine, this onus rests on each one of us as teachers and inspiring enough to build a passionate team of budding pathologists. To address this, the IAPM UG Pathology Quiz 2025 was opened out nationwide to every medical student in every medical college, which was a Herculean task starting from creating the database, and hope to better the process year after year. As Dr. Ranjan mentioned, the results were phenomenal, with 539 of the 730 medical institutions participating in the UG quiz in a structured format, starting from the institutional, the zonal, the state, and region, and the top 5 teams representing the 5 regions of the country, and are joining us here for the final battle of the Titans, supported by the IAPM travel grants. At the postgraduate level, we had the 142 teams from all 28 states and 7 union territories who competed fiercely and was conducted online using the AHA slides for the first time. To have made this possible and feasible, let's put our hands together to all the quiz masters, the quiz coordinators, all the HODs, the chapter presidents and secretaries, the IAPM office bearer, especially Dr. Varsha, the joint secretary, and as well as the 5 regional UG and the postgraduate teams who are here in this audience. Please give them a big hand. The second commitment we have realized, the true strength of IAPM has always rested on our chapters, the various academic programs conducted in by each one of them, big and small, the online sessions, the CME activities, hands-on training, and outreach to meet medical colleges. It's beautiful to see how many such national and state level initiatives have emerged, not because IAPM told them to, but all because of their own drive, their passion to teach and inspire the residents, the budding pathologists. And one such is the online training program for students in pathology, so-called OTP-PGP, which was initiated by late Dr. Anita Borges and Dr. Sumit Gujral from the Center of Oncopathology and TMH. So, thanks a ton for your great initiative, inspiring one and all. It's very gratifying to see also many IAPM members who have been stalwarts in pathology contributing to the latest volumes of the WHO books on tumors and be on the standing committee for the WHO classification of various tumors, various fora, as well as be and deliver lectures at the various conferences across the globe. We are proud of you, dear members, and a big thank you from IAPM for your yeoman service, and you too look at it as an honor to represent the IAPM and our country, India at large, towards this endeavor of a global resource of pathologists, all striving for the patient care. Let's all give a round of applause to all the stalwarts of pathology and the focus groups who have done a fantastic job all through the year, who have taken care and continue to teach and inspire the budding pathologists. Thank you. Our third highlight is the digital transformation. In just a few minutes, probably by the end of this program, we'll be launching a brand new, upgraded IAPM website. A young, passionate, and digitally savvy team of pathologists have come together to redesign the platform, to put in the updated data, reorganizing the various sections to suit our current needs, and ensuring a richer user experience and better navigation. The new site is mobile friendly and will be significantly more resourceful for learning. More importantly, as it did this year, the new website hosted the election process, making it simpler and more seamless for each one of us to participate. The impact has been tremendous, with a remarkable threefold increase in voter participation. Let's put our hands together for the pathologists who have been behind the scenes. Dr. Vijay Shankar, Dr. Ramya Suresh, Dr. Sachin Kale, Dr. Ranjan and Dr. Harendra Kumar, and the website manager, Mr. Sisla Ram and his team, who have worked tirelessly over the last 2 months to make this vision a reality. My fourth point, thank you. My fourth point is to refresh our scientific program at the AppCon 2025. For the first time, our workshops include a built-in hands-on component, ensuring practical learning and active participations. All talks and sessions in the conference have been designed as updates with time slots condensed to 30 to 40 minutes instead of 1 hour. We have also introduced the Residents' Corner for the very first time to cater to our young colleagues amidst us. I hope each one of you experience a truly enriching academic feast organized by Dr. Jyotsna Suri and Dr. Kuldeep Singh. Thanks a ton for each one of you. In short, IAPM 2025 has been all about removing the barriers, enhancing participation, and igniting the passion in pathology. If the state chapters feel more empowered, students and residents more inspired, and members of IAPM more connected, then IAPM at large has moved in the right direction. I'm grateful to Dr. Ranjan and Dr. Harendra Kumar for their constant support, for all the inputs from the executive members, the esteemed subcommittees, the academic body, and all our well-wishers. As we begin APCON 2025, let's look forward to a bright future where the IAPM continues to grow, not just in numbers, but in leaps and bounds with a greater impact. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now the distinguished moment has arrived when we honor academic brilliance. I invite Dr. Ranjan Agrawal, Secretary IAPM, to kindly announce the oral and published papers award winners in previous APCON.
Like we all know, that these are the 2024 awards which are given during the inaugural function of the next year. So it's my honor to award Dr. V.R. Khanolkar Award for 2024 goes to Dr. Aditi Rathi.
मैं विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूँ कि हमारे मुख्य अतिथि माननीय उपराज्यपाल श्री मनोज सिन्हा जी तथा IAPM की अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर उषा किन्नी मैम कृपया हमारे मेधावी पुरस्कार विजेताओं को सम्मान प्रदान करें.
Shrimati Kunti Devi Mehrotra Award 2024, Dr. Pulkit Rastogi. Dr. Satpathy would be taking it on his behalf. Professor K.C. Basu Malik Award 2024, Dr. Shraddhanjali Satpathy, please join again. A big round of applause, please. Next. These include cash prizes also, which will be credited to your account. The last is Dr. K.S. Ratnakar, Best Paper Award 2024, Dr. Ajit Sahu, their guide, Dr. Amit would be taking it. This carries a cash prize of 10,000. Dr. V.R. Khanolkar has a cash prize of 25,000. Shrimati Kunti Devi Mehrotra has a cash prize of 15,000. Professor K.C. Basu Malik Award has a cash prize of 20,000. And Dr. K.S. Ratnakar 10,000. I thank the dignitaries for the honors. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, all the dignitaries. It is my privilege to invite Dr. Saeed Abid Rashid Shah, Secretary Health and Medical Education Department. Sir, we are honored to have you with us. May I request you to kindly address the audience.
the Most Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Param Adarniya Shri Manoj Sinha ji, the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and importantly, our guests from outside, from the rest of the country, far and wide, who have come here आज जो आप सब यहाँ इस important conference में participate करने आए हैं, आप सबको हम सब की तरफ से most welcome. Thank you so much for coming to Government Medical College Jammu. GMC Jammu has a long history, and the Department of Pathology and the Department of Microbiology itself has worked very, very hard over the last many decades. और उसका नतीजा ये है कि आज आप सब पूरी कंट्री के बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट से आके यहाँ क्रॉस लर्निंग और टीचिंग का बेहतरीन सबूत देते हुए हमारे यंगस्टर्स को, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स को, अंडर ग्रेजुएट्स को, सबको अपनी नॉलेज इम्बाइब कराने आए हैं. वी थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच. I will fail my duty without mentioning what has happened under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor in the last few years. Just a few data points so that you know where you are sitting and you know what has changed in the last few years, because you have come from the entire country. The north, the east, the south and the west of the country should know what has happened in Jammu and Kashmir in the last few years. Jammu and Kashmir had 500 MBBS seats. Today, because of the last 5 years, Jammu and Kashmir has 1725 MBBS seats. Jammu and Kashmir had no Ayurvedic homeopathy colleges. In the last few years, we have started Ayurvedic and homeopathy colleges under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor. For the first time ever, we have started post-graduation in Ayurvedic College, which is MAMS, done in very few institutes of the country. Now Jammu and Kashmir has that. The DNB seats in J&K were 20. Today, under the leadership of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor, we have 436, which is a 80-fold increase. The number of BSc nursing students were 685. Today it is 3,050. Paramedic BSc, 0. Today it is 1,900. MSc nursing, 0. Today it is 250. The postgraduate seats in MBBS in the last few years has increased from 500 to 802. This year we have started post-graduation in the peripheral medical colleges. The Jan Aushadhi Kendras were 47 when Honorable LG came. Today they are 307. We had 102, 108 ambulances. Today we have 489 102, 108 critical care ambulances across Jammu and Kashmir, saving thousands of human lives. All this is possible because of the support, the guidance, the active indulgence of the Honorable Lieutenant Governor. Sir, मैं सब डॉक्टर्स और यहाँ के स्टाफ और अपने पूरे डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि आपने हमें वो सपोर्ट दिया है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट दिया है, गाइडेंस दी है, and you have been a rock solid support to the entire department and the administration in Jammu and Kashmir. We thank you from the core of our hearts. Ladies and gentlemen, the purpose of this conference is cross-learning. The purpose of this conference is to learn from the best brains in our country. Our country has some of the best doctors. आप सबका फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि ये जो गेस्ट हमारे बाहर से आए हैं, उन सब का एक तो इस्तकबाल करें, दूसरा उनको अच्छे से ट्रीट करें. Please treat them with all the gracious warmth and hospitality of Jammu and Kashmir, but most importantly, learn from them the professional skills so that you pass them on to our future generation. I congratulate the Government Medical College Jammu and the entire team, and congratulate the Department of Pathology. I congratulate the IAPM for choosing Jammu and Kashmir and showing the rest of the country that Jammu and Kashmir truly is one of the leaders in healthcare and medical education. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your visionary words. हमारे लिए ये अत्यंत गौरव की बात है कि हमारे बीच जम्मू कश्मीर के माननीय उपराज्यपाल श्री मनोज सिन्हा जी उपस्थित हैं. महामहिम का प्रेरणादायक नेतृत्व, उनकी विचारशील दृष्टि और जन सेवा के प्रति उनकी प्रतिबद्धता हमेशा नई दिशा और ऊर्जा प्रदान करती है.
मैं माननीय उपराज्यपाल महोदय से विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया अपने प्रेरणादायक विचारों से हम सभी को संबोधित करें.
इस महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम में मंच पर उपस्थित सम्मानित विधायक श्री अरविंद गुप्ता जी, जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन के सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ एंड मेडिकल एजुकेशन डॉक्टर सैयद आबिद रशीद, जम्मू मेडिकल कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर आशुतोष गुप्ता, प्रेसिडेंट IAPM डॉक्टर उषा किनी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट IAPM डॉक्टर रिनी मलिक, ट्रेजरर डॉक्टर हरेंद्र कुमार, सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर रंजन अग्रवाल, सभी डेलीगेट्स, जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन के वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण, देवियों, सज्जनों और मित्रों, जम्मू मेडिकल कॉलेज के बारे में मेरे पूर्व जम्मू कश्मीर प्रशासन के हेल्थ सेक्रेटरी ने आपको विस्तार से बताया है। जब डॉक्टर आशुतोष गुप्ता ने मुझे आमंत्रित किया तो मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा था कि मैं इस समारोह में आके करूँगा क्या। मैं सोच रहा था, फिर थोड़ा कागज पत्थर पलटा मैंने, पहुँच रहे हैं तो कुछ कहना ही है, तो इसीलिए मैं उपस्थित हूँ कुछ कहने के लिए। और एक सामान्य नागरिक के नाते मुझे लगता है कि पेशेंट की डायग्नोसिस और ट्रीटमेंट में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाने वाले आप सब लोग हैं। और इस वार्षिक कॉन्फ्रेंस में देश भर के जाने माने पैथोलॉजिस्ट, मेडिकल कम्युनिटी के बड़े दिग्गज लोग आए हैं, उन सबका मैं जम्मू कश्मीर में अपनी ओर से हृदय से स्वागत करता हूँ। पेशेंट केयर में हो रहे एडवांसमेंट और उसके टूल्स को सभी पैथोलॉजिस्ट तक पहुँचाने तथा उन एडवांसमेंट पर विस्तार पूर्वक चर्चा करके एक्यूरेसी सुनिश्चित करने और डायग्नोसिस तथा ट्रीटमेंट के बीच लगने वाले समय को कैसे कम किया जा सकता है, मुझे लगता है कि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो प्रयास होगा निश्चित रूप से वो देश भर के मरीजों को मदद करेगा। और इसके लिए जम्मू मेडिकल कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर आशुतोष गुप्ता, इसके ऑर्गेनाइजर और सभी साथियों को मैं बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। कई कार्यक्रमों को नज़दीक से नहीं तो अखबार के माध्यम से मैंने देखा है जो मेडिकल से रिलेटेड रहे हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में, और मुझे ये कार्यक्रम बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्तिगत रूप से लग रहा है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि इसे इस प्रकार डिज़ाइन किया गया होगा जिससे पैथोलॉजी फील्ड से जुड़े सभी हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स अपने स्किल्स को और बेहतर कर सकें, टेक्निकल एडवांसमेंट को डायग्नोसिस के साथ इंटीग्रेट कर सकें, और अभी जैसा मेरे पूर्व बताया टेक्नोलॉजी की बात, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जैसी कटिंग एज टेक्नोलॉजी तथा डेटा एनालिसिस से साइंस और मेडिसिन के बीच एक सशक्त ब्रिज बनाने में सभी पैथोलॉजिस्ट देश भर के सक्षम हो सकें। निजी तौर पर मैं इसे जीवन का अत्यंत संवेदनशील ब्रिज भी कह सकता हूं, क्योंकि यही ब्रिज सुनिश्चित करेगा कि पैथोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर्स को रोगों के कारण, उस रोग की प्रकृति को समझने में कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं ताकि कम समय में मरीजों का सही इलाज हो सके। इस ब्रिज में पैथोलॉजिस्ट की भूमिका और जिम्मेदारी इसलिए भी बड़ी हो जाती है क्योंकि आपकी एक जानकारी न सिर्फ सबसे प्रभावी उपचार सुनिश्चित करेगी, बल्कि उस जानकारी के आधार पर डॉक्टर्स पेशेंट के शरीर की प्रकृति को बेहतर तरीके से समझ सकेंगे और भविष्य में उन्हें रोकने के लिए प्रिवेंटिव स्ट्रेटजी भी तैयार कर पाएंगे। इसलिए मैं समझता हूं कि ग्लोबली आज इस बात की विशेष आवश्यकता है कि इस फील्ड में निरंतर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट को और बढ़ावा दिया जाए। हाल के इतिहास में इसके ग्रोथ को अगर समझें हम तो नए फ्रंटियर कैसे तय किए जा सकते हैं, ये इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का एक महत्वपूर्ण विचार हो सकता है। इस वार्षिक कॉन्फ्रेंस में एक अन्य महत्वपूर्ण पहलू की ओर मैं आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहूँगा। ग्लोबल पैथोलॉजिस्ट वर्कफोर्स पर सबसे पहले व्यापक और विस्तृत अध्ययन 2023 में हुआ था और उस रिपोर्ट में वर्कफोर्स के स्किल, टेक्नोलॉजी और पैथोलॉजिस्ट की उपलब्धता का काफ़ी विस्तृत वर्णन किया गया है। उस रिपोर्ट को मैं देख रहा था, उसमें कहा गया है कि सबसे स्किल्ड और ट्रेंड पैथोलॉजिस्ट हमारे ही देश भारत में हैं और विश्व के अनेक देशों में प्रति 10 लाख जनसंख्या पर जहां पैथोलॉजिस्ट की एवरेज संख्या 14 है, वहीं हमारे देश इंडिया में पैथोलॉजिस्ट की औसत संख्या 60 से भी ज़्यादा है। ये निश्चित रूप से हम सबको गौरवान्वित करती है ये बात। बहरहाल उस रिपोर्ट में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात जो मुझे समझ में आई कि निकट भविष्य में नई टेक्नोलॉजी का समावेशन कर तथा लैब में रिसर्च के नए आयाम तय कर प्रोफेशनल्स की संख्या में हमारा देश दुनिया के सभी देशों को पीछे छोड़ देगा। मुझे स्मरण है उसके पश्चात पिछले वर्ष अक्टूबर में किसी प्रमुख अखबार में एक खबर छपी थी, आप में से अनेक लोगों ने उस खबर को देखा होगा, जहां हमारे देश में महत्वपूर्ण मेडिकल टेस्ट की कीमत $50 है, वहीं अमेरिका में उस टेस्ट की कीमत $10,000 है। उस खबर के पश्चात दुनिया के अनेक अन्य अखबारों और विशेष रूप से सोशल मीडिया में इसकी चर्चा बहुत हुई। दूसरी महत्वपूर्ण चर्चा वर्ल्ड मीडिया में इस बात की भी थी कि भारत में जितने भी हाईली ट्रेंड और कैपेबल पैथोलॉजिस्ट हैं भारत में, जो निरंतर आयोजित किए जा रहे रोबस्ट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम से गुजर रहे हैं, उन्होंने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर बड़ी ख्याति अर्जित की है। मैं समझता हूं कि वर्ल्ड मीडिया में इस तरह का कवरेज, जहां एक तरफ पैथोलॉजिस्ट को मोटिवेट करता है, नई जनरेशन के प्रोफेशनल्स को इंस्पायर करता है, वहीं एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी भी आपके कंधों पर डालता है। हमें न सिर्फ इस स्टैंडर्ड को मेंटेन करना है, बरकरार रखना है, बल्कि एडवांस डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट के द्वारा प्रिसिशन मेडिसिन अप्रोच को हेल्थ केयर की मुख्य धारा बनाना होगा। प्रिसिशन मेडिसिन के लक्ष्य के लिए मुझे लगता है कि बड़े डेटाबेस को और इंटीग्रेट करने की ज़रूरत होगी। आपको डेटा इंटरऑपरेबिलिटी के लिए नए स्टैंडर्ड भी बनाने होंगे। लैब्स में ऐसा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तैयार करना होगा जहां आपसी तालमेल एवं बिग डेटा और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की मदद से डेटा को डॉक्टर्स के लिए क्लिनिकल इंसाइट में तब्दील किया जा सके। और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि एक डॉक्टर के तौर पर नहीं, एक जिम्मेदार नागरिक के तौर पर जब विचार मैं करता हूं तो मुझे लगता है कि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में क्या क्या चीज़ें हम कर सकते हैं, क्या रिजॉल्व हो सकता है इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का। तो मुझे लगता है कि पहली बात, कटिंग एज एडवांसमेंट के द्वारा पैथोलॉजी फील्ड को और सक्षम बनाकर हम डायग्नोस्टिक एक्यूरेसी सुनिश्चित करें और मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी रिसर्च के द्वारा पेशेंट्स के फ्यूचर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोटोकॉल डेवलप करने में कैसे हम इससे मदद पा सकते हैं। दूसरा निवेदन मैं कहूँगा कि एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम और ट्रेनिंग में जो गैप्स हैं उनको चिन्हित किया जाए और उसके मुताबिक नए ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल बेहतर से बेहतर तैयार किए जाएं। तीसरा आग्रह मेरा होगा कि डायग्नोसिस के लिए समर्पित सुविधाएं, जो डॉक्टर आशुतोष गुप्ता ने शुरुआत में बात कही, राजौरी और पुंछ की, ऐसे जो सुदूर के अंचल हैं, दूर दराज के इलाके में पेशेंट को प्रदान करके उनकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को और कैसे बेहतर करके हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को और बेहतर हम बना सकें। इसलिए ग्रामीण इलाकों में डायग्नोसिस और ट्रीटमेंट के बीच समय को अगर कम करने में ये कॉन्फ्रेंस मदद कर सकी। पब्लिक सेक्टर और प्राइवेट सेक्टर, मैं जानता हूं कि दोनों को इसके लिए आगे आना होगा। जम्मू कश्मीर में जो कुछ अभी डॉक्टर आबिद शाह ने बताया है, मैं मानता हूं कि ये पिछले कुछ वर्षों में भारत के आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के कारण हेल्थ सेक्टर में भी बड़ा भारी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ है। और आभा यानी आयुष्मान भारत स्वास्थ्य खाता के तहत डिजिटल रिकॉर्ड के माध्यम से लैब डायग्नोसिस के रिजल्ट को सुरक्षित रूप से स्टोर और शेयर किया जा रहा है। इसे आजकल एक डिजिटल स्वास्थ्य आईडी के रूप में भी देखा जा रहा है। पेशेंट को अपने लैब रिपोर्ट, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन और अन्य स्वास्थ्य कार्ड को एक जगह सुरक्षित रखने में इससे मदद मिल रही है। अब लैब के द्वारा प्रदान की गई डिजिटल रिपोर्ट सीधे पेशेंट्स के व्यक्तिगत स्वास्थ्य कार्ड रिकॉर्ड एप्लीकेशन पर भेजने की व्यवस्था हो सकी है और इससे निश्चित रूप से ट्रीटमेंट में तेजी और एक्यूरेसी भी आई है। चौथा आग्रह मैं करूंगा कि सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स मिलकर जो दूर दराज की बात हमने कही है वहां पहुंचावें और लैब से कैसे ग्रामीण और सुदूर अंचल के इलाकों को हम कनेक्ट कर सकें, ये हमारा एक उद्देश्य होना चाहिए। मॉडर्न हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को इससे ही हम मजबूत बना सकते हैं। हर पेशेंट की क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को निश्चित रूप से हम बेहतर बनाने में मदद कर सकते हैं। और एक अंतिम बात जो अपने अनुभव के आधार पर मैं कहता हूं, बहुत सारी फर्जी रिपोर्ट भी आ जाती हैं और लोग विद्वान लोग हैं वो कह नहीं पाएंगे, मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसका जिक्र जरूर कर दूं। और सामान्य रूप से ये कुकुरमुत्ते की तरह इतने फैल गई हैं लैब कि अब डर न लगने लगता है कि रिपोर्ट सही है कि नहीं है। तो सामान्य रूप से किसी बीमारी के समय एक बार नहीं 2-3 बार आदमी टेस्ट कराता है कि रिपोर्ट ठीक है कि नहीं है। इसकी क्या व्यवस्था हो सकती है? मेरा अनुरोध होगा कि इस पर भी गंभीरता से चिंतन करने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि एक सामान्य आदमी बड़ा विश्वास और भरोसा करके वो जांच कराता है और अगर रिपोर्ट गलत निकलती है तो बहुत लोगों की जान जोखिम में आ जाती है। ये हमें बराबर ध्यान में रखने की आवश्यकता है। मैं यहाँ आए हुए सभी लोगों का स्वागत करते हुए आपके कॉन्फ्रेंस की सफलता की शुभकामना देता हूँ और एक बड़ा लक्ष्य प्राप्त करने में प्रोफेशनल स्किल के साथ करुणा और संवेदनशीलता, ये 2 बड़े महत्वपूर्ण गुण होते हैं। मैं अनुरोध करूँगा इन दोनों के साथ आप काम करें। मैं इस कॉन्फ्रेंस की सफलता की माता वैष्णो देवी से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words. Your gracious presence has added immense value to APCON 2025. As we near the close of this special evening, may I now invite the organizing secretary of APCON 2025, Dr. Jyotsna Suri, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
Very good evening to all. On behalf of Organizing Committee of Indian Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists, I take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks for today's function. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, Shri Manoj Sinha ji, for gracing this occasion with your presence. We are deeply honored that you accepted our invitation and agreed to preside over this important event. Your presence has greatly enriched the proceedings and inspired all of us, sir. I also express my sincere thanks to our esteemed guest of honor, Shri Arvind Gupta ji, MLA Jammu West, and Commissioner Secretary Health and Medical Education, Shri Abid Syed Rashid Shah ji, here with us today. Your encouragement and support means a great deal to the entire fraternity. We are deeply grateful to the administration for their unwavering cooperation, their constant support, whether in planning coordination, and execution has been instrumental in making this event possible, sir. A special word of appreciation goes to respected principal, sir, our President, IAPM, Dr. Usha Kinney, Vice President, Dr. Yuni Malik, ma'am, Secretary, Dr. Ranjan Agarwalji, Joint Secretary, Dr. Varsha Dhume, and Treasurer, Dr. Harindra, sir, for your continuous support and helping us constantly strengthening our efforts. A special gratitude to President IEP, Vice President IEP ID Asia, Dr. Francis Cotto, President IAP ID, Dr. Nuzat, and Secretary Treasurer IPID, Dr. Megha Open, ma'am. Your leadership has truly been the backbone of this endeavor. I wish to acknowledge and thank all the office bearers for their tireless work, collective wisdom, and continuous involvement. Every decision, every discussion, and every contribution has helped shape today's successful event. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all the participants, international and national dignitaries, delegates, faculty, guests who have joined us today. Your enthusiasm and support motivates us to keep striving towards excellence in academic and professional activities. Once again, on behalf of organizing committee, I extend my deepest gratitude to all of you for making today's event meaningful and memorable. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone for your gracious presence. Jai Hind. I request everyone to please be seated.
On behalf of the organizing committee, we again extend a heartfelt welcome to all dignitaries and delegates. ये आयोजन केवल उद्घाटन नहीं, ये विज्ञान विभूति का उत्सव है, ये सहयोग और संकल्प का संगम है. हरिवंश राय बच्चन लिखते हैं, जहां शब्द ना पहुंच पाएं, वहां कार्य कर दिखाते हैं. AppCon 2025 is a living example of that spirit. I request everyone that we are continuing with our inaugural ceremony. Please be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, while our President IAPM are seeing off the dignitaries, we shall now proceed to the next significant segment of the evening. have reached one of the most distinguished and celebrated moment of this program, the conferment of ICP fellowships and awarding of prestigious postdoctoral certificate course. These honors stand as a tribute to the exceptional commitment, academic depth, and pursuit of excellence that strengthens the very core of our discipline. May I now request the Secretary ICP to kindly join us on the dais.
Good evening, everybody. Greetings from Indian College of Pathologists. So,
I again announce the program is continuing. I request everyone to please be seated and maintain the decorum of the hall. Ladies and gentlemen, the program is still continuing. Kindly take your seats.
so good evening, everybody. Greetings from Indian College of Pathologists. I am Dr. Ritamra, Secretary of Indian College of Pathologists. As you all know that Indian College of Pathologists is part of main body Indian Association of Pathology and Microbiologists, but this organization concentrates on super specialties, training and identifying teachers for super specialty trainings. And as a part of this, we have our fellowship programs, for which I invite our Dean, Dr. Colonel Deepak Mishra, to hand over those certificates of fellowships to the recipients who were scrutinized out of multiple applications, and 6 of them were selected for last year's fellowships. So I shall invite the candidates who were awarded, who have been selected for this. Dr. Debadatta Basu.
I'm sorry to intervene. May I request our Joint Secretary, Dr. Varsha Dhume, and Dr. Pranati Mohanty, Joint Secretary Headquarters, to please join us on stage. Due to certain protocol manners and what was sanctioned, we couldn't have you on the stage earlier. I regret that.
Sir, Dr. Debadatta Basu, sir. Congratulations, sir. Dr. Pradeep Bedeswar from Mumbai. Dr. Prasanjit Das from AIIMS, New Delhi. Dr. Shanmuga Priya from Chennai. The 6th recipient is Dr. Vishali Suri. She is not personally present, so we shall get that posted. Another mandate of Indian College of Pathologists is to train for 1 year in super specialization. That is what we call postdoctoral certificate courses. For that, there were 20 certificate courses which were for 20 candidates were trained. Oh, sorry. And sorry, I missed one. Dr. Varsha Dhume from Mumbai for fellowship. So for post-doctoral certificate courses, there were 20 candidates, out of which only 3 are physically present in the hall. So I would invite Dr. Aditi Agrawal. There were 6 renal and transplant pathology courses which were there, students were trained. There were oncopathology, and Dr. Aditi gets certificate for oncopathology. Congratulations. She's from Mumbai. It's not Mumbai, sorry. From Jammu. Dr. Nikita Dasan, maybe she has not reached because there was some flight issue. Are you there, Nikita? Maybe we'll get it posted. Then Dr. Ravi Teja, who gets fellowship in hemato-oncopathology. So congratulations to all the recipients. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Others are not present in the hall, so we shall get all the certificates will get posted. All the PDCs. Yes, purana. So we invite all the fellows on the stage for a photograph.
So before we close the ICP session, very good evening to everyone. So we'd just like to announce that you all know that ICP is the academic arm of the IAPM. So from this year, we have started an academic activity which is named as Dr. Borges ICP Masterclass in Pathology. This has started from October 2025. We have had 2 such master classes. First was taken by none other than Professor Siddharth Dattagupta, and the second one was last month by Dr. Bikram Deshpande. And every last Wednesday of the month, we will have eminent speakers speaking on different aspects of pathology. I think that will continue, and we will invite people gradually, one after the other, to give knowledge to our youngsters so that it becomes a real master class. Second is, we have rationalized our PDCC programs. The nomenclatures have been rationalized so that there are no duplications. And you can visit the website for the new PDCC courses. They have been renamed. And the other thing is that we are revamping our website so that you will get many informations, and we are going to have different international guidelines available through the ICP website, so that you can look at the NCCN guideline, the ELN guidelines, and many other guidelines that is currently available in various geographic sites. So these are the initiatives that we have started, and I think you will see a very vibrant Indian College of Pathology in the future months and years to come. Thank you very much with that.
I will request you for the felicitation of President Mark right now, sir. President and Vice President.
I now request Dr. D.K. Mishra to kindly felicitate the President IIPM, Dr. Usha Kini ma'am. I request sir to kindly felicitate the Vice President IIPM, Dr. Rini Malik. I request all the newly inducted fellows to please come on the stage for a group photograph. आप नीचे लो फोटो।
PDCC recipients, please join us on stage for a group photograph. Those who have received the PDCC certificate, a big congratulations to you all. Please join us.
Thank you, everyone. So we encourage all the colleges, institutes, and hospitals, to get their teachers certified with Indian College of Pathologists and induct more and more PDCC courses in their colleges so that we have more super specialists in our group. Thank you, everybody, for being part of the celebrations.
We are proposing to start the digital pathology PDCC as well. And centers who would be keen to start those could apply.
Please stay back for another round of felicitations, please.
I request Dr. D.K. Mishra to kindly felicitate the Secretary IIPM, Dr. Ranjan Agarwal. I request the organizing chairperson, Dr. Kuldeep Singh Sir, and organizing secretary, Dr. Jyotsna Suri, to please join us on the stage and take their respective seats.
I request Dr. Usha Kini to kindly felicitate Joint Secretary IIPM, Dr. Varsha Dhume.
I request Usha Kini ma'am, Kuldeep Singh sir and Jyotsna ma'am to kindly felicitate Treasurer IAPM Dr. Harendra Kumar. Now may I again request them to kindly felicitate Joint Secretary Headquarter Dr. Pranati Mohanty.
May I now request the President and Secretary IAPM to kindly felicitate May I now request the President and Secretary IAPM to kindly felicitate the Organizing Chairperson Dr. Kuldeep Singh. May I also request them to kindly felicitate the Organizing Secretary, Dr. Jyotsna Suri. Thank you all the distinguished dignitaries.
अब हम उस गौरवपूर्ण क्षण पर पहुंच चुके हैं जहां हम IAPM के उन महान अध्यक्षों को सम्मान अर्पित करेंगे जिन्होंने संगठन को दिशा, दृष्टि और दूरदर्शिता प्रदान की है. These stalwarts stand as the true architects of our academic legacy.
We request our dignitaries to kindly felicitate the following past presidents of IAPM. हर नाम एक परंपरा है, एक पथ प्रदर्शित शक्ति है. Dr. Anuradha Phatak, former professor and head pathology at Seth GS Medical College, Mumbai, with 50 years of experience and key expertise in endocrine, genitourinary and dermatopathology. Professor R.K. Gupta, former Professor and Head of Pathology and Dean, SGPGIMS, Lucknow, with over 50 years of distinguished service, past President of IAPM, author of 2 Springer Atlases, and contributor of more than 100 publications. Dr. D.N. Lanjevar, former Professor of Pathology at JJ Hospital, Mumbai, and Games Budge, and past President of IAPM, an eminent pathologist with 75 publications, international research experience, and pioneering work in autopsy and infectious diseases pathology. Dr. N.C. Parija, former Professor and Head of Oncopathology, AHPGI Cuttack, and past National President of IAPM, with more than 40 conference presentations, 20 plus publications, and decades of service across Odisha medical colleges. He continues his work as a practicing pathologist and medical director. Dr. Bishan Das Rudota, former Professor of Neuropathology and Head of Histopathology at PGIMR Chandigarh, with over 38 years of postgraduate teaching experience, a distinguished academician with more than 455 publications, past President of IAPM, and internationally recognized for his contributions to neuropathology. An alumni of Jammu, Government Medical College, Jammu.
Dr. Tejinder Singh. His name requires no introduction. We have been reading his book since our UG days. Sir is not here due to his personal commitments. Dr. Siddharth Datta Gupta. Sir is former Dean and Professor of Pathology, AIIMS, New Delhi, Emeritus Professor of NAMS, and an internationally recognized authority in liver and GI pathology. With over 40 years of teaching, 500 plus publications, major global leadership roles, and contributions including a chapter in Robbins. He has mentored more than 180 postgraduate and doctoral scholars.
Dr. Colonel Deepak Kumar Mishra, former professor and head of pathology at Seth GS Medical College, with over 50 years of experience and significant contributions to endocrine, genitourinary, and dermatopathology, with more than 70 publications and authorship of chapter on genitourinary pathology. He has served the IAPM in multiple leadership roles: president in 2000, vice president in 1999, treasurer in 1996-98, and has been honored with the B.K. Ikat Oration and Dr. M.G. Barodia Oration.
Dr. Pradeep Vedeshwar, sir. Sir is Professor of CTVS Pathology at Seth GS Medical College and a leading specialist in cardiac and pulmonary pathology. With 267 publications, 12 book chapters, and key roles in IAPM, he has contributed extensively as faculty in 275 plus conferences and guided numerous postgraduates. Dr. Kim Wefei, Emeritus Professor NAMS, and ma'am is not here. Dr. Sharda Rajurane, Professor and Head Pathology at BJ Medical College, Pune, with key expertise in infectious, renal, and dermatopathology.
Dr. Kanaklata Dei is the former professor and head of pathology at MKCG Medical College, Brahmpur, and a senior member of IAPM. She has guided numerous postgraduate trainees and served widely as an examiner.
To all our past presidents, your leadership is our legacy, your vision is our compass. We bow in gratitude. Now, I request the President IIPM, Dr. Usha Kinney, and Secretary IIPM, Dr. Ranjan Agarwal, to kindly launch the new website.
May I request our team members, Dr. Vijay Shankar, Dr. Ramya is not there, Dr. Sachin is also not here. Mr. Ram, are you here? I think he couldn't make it because of the flight issues. Vijay is here. I must say, add on, that this website is much interactive, and a lot of efforts have been made in getting this developed. I thank the entire team, and I really appreciate that if you all can give your suggestions, comments, and feedbacks, that will be helpful in much more development. It's still in the building phase. Ma'am, the remote. We are pressing the remote. I thank the audience for the so many applauds. We really needed that.
It is our proud privilege to felicitate the senior pathologists of Jammu and Kashmir, stalwarts whose lifelong commitment has nurtured medical education in this region. उस्तादों की रहनुमाई से ही शागिर्दों के रास्ते बनते हैं. Today, we honor those ustads who shape countless journeys. We request our dignitaries to kindly honor our senior teachers and distinguished pathologists of Jammu and Kashmir.
Dr. A.R. Khan, former professor and head of pathology, GMC Jammu and GMC Srinagar, with over 50 years of expertise in histopathology and cytopathology, and director of Dr. Khan's Diagnostic Lab, a pioneer who established key pathologic services in GMC Jammu and Srinagar, author of multiple FNA texts, and recipient of IAPM Lifetime Achievement Award.
Dr. Ashok Chandra, senior pathologist with over 5 decades of clinical, academic, and diagnostic leadership. I request Dr. Alka Raina, daughter of Dr. Ashok Chandra, to kindly receive the honor on his behalf.
So you can sit at the front also, or if you
Dr. Madalsa Bargotra, senior pathologist and former Head of Pathology, GMC Jammu. With over 4 decades of clinical and academic service, she played a key role in securing MCI recognition for the department and has been associated with GMC Srinagar and Jammu since 1971. I request Dr. Rupali Bargotra, Professor, Department of Pathology, GMC Jammu, to kindly come forward and accept the felicitation on her behalf.
And I would like to add here that ma'am has been my guide during MD pathology. Thank you.
HOD, he played a key role in starting the MD pathology course at ASCOMS Jammu and has served as an expert for ESI paramedical institutions and on MCI inspection panels.
Dr. K.C. Goswami, Senior Pathologist with 45 years of distinguished experience. He has served at SKIMS Srinagar, GMC Jammu and ASCOMS Jammu. Dr. Goswami has contributed extensively to academics with 22 publications in national and international journals and has held progressive roles from lecturer to professor across premier institutions.
Dr. P. Angmo, retired Associate Professor of Pathology, GMC Jammu, with 20 years of academic and clinical experience, an MBBS, DCP and MD graduate with many publications. She has contributed significantly to teaching and departmental development from 1996 to 2014.
Dr. K.K. Kaul, former professor and head of pathology, GMC Jammu, who led the department during his tenure as head of department and served as an examiner at AIIMS, PGI and SKIMS. An award-winning hematology expert, he is a national faculty member and a key figure in hemophilia care and related publications. Dr. Subhash Bhardwaj, former professor and head of department pathology, GMC Jammu, with 31 years of experience in histopathology, cytology and molecular diagnostics, author of 108 publications and mentor to 37 theses. He pioneered automation, frozen sections and flow cytometry services at GMC Jammu.
Dr. Ruchi Khajuria, Professor Pathology, GMC Jammu, and a long-standing life member of IAC, ISHBT, and IIPM. She has contributed in many national and international journals.
Dr. Vijay Suri, senior pathologist with 38 years of service in health and medical education, including 30 years in teaching and 5 years as professor and head. He has served at BCSG Government Medical Institute, Srinagar, where he established the Department of Pathology, developed the Pathology Museum, and upgraded the blood bank. Dr. Suri has guided over 18 MD theses and has more than 18 publications to his credit.
Dr. Surinder Attri. Dr. Surinder Attri is presently working as principal of GMC Kathua and is professor of pathology with over 16 years of teaching experience. An alumnus of GMC Jammu and AIIMS New Delhi, he has served as NMC and DNB assessor and has over 25 research publications with multiple national and international presentations.
Professor Azra Shah, former professor and head of pathology at SKIMS Srinagar, with over 3 decades of distinguished academic and administrative service. As Professor Azra Shah is currently traveling and could not join us in person today, may I now request Dr. Deepa Hans, Professor, Department of Pathology, GMC Jammu, to kindly collect the felicitation on her behalf.
Ma'am has sent a special message and I read it out. Honorable Chief Guest, respected Presidents and Secretaries of IIPM and IIPID, distinguished delegates and dear friends, I am deeply honored to receive this recognition from the Organizing Committee of APCON 2025. As I am out of the country, I regret that I am unable to be present with you today. I extend my sincere thanks to Professor Jyotsna Suri and Professor Deepti Mahajan for their warm communication and gracious gesture. I also acknowledge with gratitude my teachers at PGI Chandigarh and my mentors during my WHO fellowship in London, who shaped my professional journey. My association with IIPM spans over decades, and I cherish the academic bonds formed through these years. I wish all delegates meaningful discussions and hope you enjoy the hospitality and beauty of Jammu, the city of temples. Thank you once again.
Dr. Ruby Reshi.
I also request Principal and Dean GMC Jammu, Dr. Ashutosh Gupta sir, to kindly join us on the stage for felicitation of our senior pathologist.
Dr. Ruby Reshi is immediate ex-principal of GMC Baramulla and former head of pathology, immunohematology and hemophilia center at GMC Srinagar. With over 20 years of experience in histopathology, cytology, and hematology, she has over 50 publications and has guided more than 20 postgraduate students.
Dear teachers, आप ही हमारे पथ प्रदर्शक हैं, आप ही हमारे प्रेरणा स्तंभ हैं. Our deepest gratitude to each one of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we now arrive at a moment of academic pride, the release of books authored by 2 distinguished scholars of our fraternity, Dr. A.R. Khan and Dr. Santosh Mondal. May I request them to kindly join us on the stage, please? Dr. A.R. Khan's book on thyroid disorders is in the press and will be released soon.
Thyroid, this is 40 years experience on thyroid cytopathology. Then I have written right from the development abnormalities, relevant anatomy, physiology, histology, and thyroid function test and their interpretation, histopathology, including the latest WHO classification. And of course, I have put my own data of 40 years there, and then I have, in the beginning, I have written about cytology of thyroid, including the last edition, including the third Bethesda edition. It should be out in probably in 2 months.
There is another book written by Dr. Santosh Mondal. It's in press and would be released soon. सफर में धूप तो होगी तो चल सको तो चलो, हर एक मुकाम मिलेगा जो बढ़ सको तो बढ़ो. With this spirit of moving forward with courage and conviction, we now formally conclude the inaugural session of AppCon 2025.
We request our delegates and esteemed guests to please remain seated and join us for the cultural program ahead, a vibrant celebration of the rich heritage, colors, and artistic traditions of Jammu and Kashmir.
I would like to announce the IAPID GBM will be conducted in the committee room at the principal office. I request the IAPID members to kindly join the meeting. First program. Just a minute.
There are 2 Lifetime Achievement Award for very senior members from the Maharashtra, which we will be giving for this year.
I request
Dr. Meera Zawar and Dr. Madhav Krishna Kolkar. A big round of applause for them. आप announce कर दो, उसके बाद नीचे get down और ये वो भी करना है.
I request all the delegates and esteemed guests to remain seated for the cultural program.